How to cancel Spotify Premium. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can cancel Spotify Premium, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to cancel Spotify Premium, all you have to do is simply open your browser, not the app but open your browser and just go to spotify.com. and when you go to spotify.com, tap the gear icon from the top right hand side, and then I want you to simply go to this option called Premium. If you have Premium, then you'll find this option called Account, so I want you to go to your account details. When you go to account details, if you scroll down, you would be able to find your plan, and if you have a free account, you'll find the option to join Premium. But if you have a premium account, you'll find the option to cancel Premium and then join the free option again. So you can just tap on that option depending upon what you have, and then you'll be able to cancel your Spotify Premium. This way you'll be able to cancel Spotify Premium. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.